Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. We have two parcels here guys, and let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay guys, so let's open this small one, this first small one. I have more parcels to arrive actually, but the rider is not yet here. So, first order from Solo Ever. Solo Ever, let's start with this one. And these are some protective gloves. Alright? So, these protective gloves are very useful because it's like this. And the good thing is that it protects from UV sun rays. And here we can see some lines, which if ever I want to hold my phone, it won't slide like this guys. Here, see guys, it won't slide because here it's like some rubber thing, so I can still use my phone and it won't slide. And the good thing is here there's two holes, thumb and index, so that I still can tap or use my phone. See? Yeah, it's like this. Although as I remember, I ordered the one with the cover here, but ganito lang pala siya. It's okay. So why this? It's because ayan, if I want to go out like using my motorcycle, I can use this. And of course my husband can also use this too. Next one, we have these. So this is a balaclava, guys. It's like this. And let me show you. I ordered the one in gray. Kasi nga, diba, pag gray or white, mas less yung heat. And since I have some glasses, yeah, here there's a hole here where I can insert for the glasses. So let's go. Let's see. Ayan, ganito siya guys. And tanan! O diba? Ganito siya. O diba? And it covers the neck too. Diba? Hindi siya just like this guys, or like this. Ayan, medyo mahaba-haba siya. And breathable din siya dito. So good thing. And here guys, sa gilid, there's some hole. Ayan, if I want to use some sunglasses or my glasses, all we need to do is put here in the hole and ta-da! The and then put the helmet on. O, diba? At para hindi, ayan, at para hindi mahirap, I can pull it down just like this. O, diba? Very easy. Yun lang, guys. So, this is the first order and it protects from the sun. UV rays. Alright guys, so yeah, that's all for today's video. Let's open the other one in another video. Alright, so if you're interested to buy one of those, actually, they have a lot of things for the sun UV rays, sun protection. So if you're interested, just DM me so I can give you the link. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.